Hi, my dear students. Our lesson today is about the missing numbers. How to find the missing numbers in addition and subtraction. Let's start with the first idea. If the two numbers were four numbers, like 6 minus which number or space equal 4. So we have here four numbers. There is a space between the two numbers. So if we have a space between the two numbers, so we call the four numbers. So we are going to subtract. Of course, in subtraction, we must subtract big minus small. So we are going to subtract 6, the big number, minus the small number 4. It will be 2. So the missing number here is 2. If we have 6 plus space equals 9. So 6 and 9, we have a space between them. So we call these two numbers four numbers. So as usual, if we have four numbers, so we are going to subtract the two numbers. So big minus small, 9 minus 6 equals 3. So 3 is the missing number. Okay. The other idea, if we have near numbers, like space minus 5 equal 4. So 5 and 4 here, there is no space between them. So we call these two numbers near numbers. So if we have near numbers, so change the sign. So here we have minus, so we are going to change the sign into plus. It will be 5 plus 4 equal 9. So the missing number here is 9. Okay, which number plus 5 equal 9? 5 and 9 here also, we don't have a space between them, so we call them near numbers. So we are going to change the sign. The sign here is plus, so we are going to change it into minus. In minus or in subtract, we are going to subtract the big number minus a small number. So it will be 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay. Let's solve classwork booklet page 31, exercise number 1. If we have four numbers, so the rule, we know that the rule is subtract. So 3469 minus which number equal 2143. So the two numbers here, we have a space, so we call this four numbers. So if we have four numbers, we are going to subtract. Subtract the big number minus a small number. So 3469 minus 2143 will be 1326. So the missing number here is 1326. Letter B, 7889 plus space equal 9976. So here also we have a space. So these two numbers are four numbers. So if we have four numbers, we are going to subtract. In subtraction, big number minus a small number. So 9976 minus 7889, it will be 2087, and this is the missing number. Okay. Example 2, change the sign if we have near numbers. So if we have missing number minus 2146 equal 4000 523. So here we don't have any space between the two numbers, so there are near numbers. There are near numbers. So we are going to change the sign. So we have here minus. So we are going to change it into plus. Will be 2146 plus 4523. The answer will be 6669. Okay. Letter B, missing plus 5146 equal 4520, equal 78,968. So here we don't have a space between the two numbers, so these numbers we called it near numbers. So we are going to change the sign. If I want to change the sign, plus will be minus, so 78,968 minus 5,146. It will be 73,820. Okay, let's see, find the missing. 24,591 minus a space equal 13,701. Ask yourself the first question. Near or far? No, these two numbers are far numbers. So if we have far numbers, we are going to subtract 24,591 minus 13,701. The answer will be 10,890. Letter B, 36,426 plus missing number equal 57,639. We have here two numbers, far numbers, two far numbers. So we are going to subtract. Yes, subtract. If we have far, subtract. If we have far, subtract. So it will be 57,639 minus 36,426. It will be 21,230. Okay, let's see the other example. Space plus 26,104 equal 94,273. Here we have two near numbers. So we are going to change the sign. Plus will be minus. So 94,273 minus 26,104. It will be 68,169. Okay. Letter D, space minus 5,100,000 equal 96,428. So two near numbers. So we are going to change the sign. If we want to change the minus, it will be plus. So plus 96,428, it will be 5,196,428. Thank you.